Hello preschool families. Today we're going to do something extra special. What are we making today, Henry?
Play-Doh.
We're gonna make Play-Doh. Now, integrating math into your home and especially in your kitchen is super easy, especially when you can make yummy things like cookies, quick breads like banana bread, zucchini bread, or other things like what? What are we doing today again?
Play.
We're gonna make Play-Doh. So we have our ingredients list here. Not only are you integrating math, but also literacy. So we have our recipe here. Can you look at our recipe?
Correct.
And when we go by each thing, I need you to cross that off. Okay, so the first thing we have here is 2 cups of flour.
Flour.
Okay, can you cross the flour off?
Wait, is this flour, Mom?
Yep, the first one. Saying words like first, next, last, second are all using words for mathematics. So what you're gonna do when you try to use more mathematical terms in your home, you're not just using things that are really difficult for them to understand. Using things like first, second, or 2. We're going to put 2 cups of flour in the pot, in the bowl. So how many was that?
1.
1. And then 1 more. Let's make sure we fill it all the way up. Let's get a little bit more in there. Oh, sorry. And 1 and 2. So 2 cups of flour. Can you cross off the flour?
I already did.
Oh, perfect. Next on our list is 3/4 cup of salt. So when you're saying these words, say 3/4 cup, just like it's written, and show them on the list or on the recipe what 3/4 look like. They may not get it yet, right? Because they're still preschool age. But the more you use those words, when it does come, when it's time for them to really understand, they'll get it because they've seen it before. Okay, what did I say was next? 3/4 cup of salt.
Right.
So
Mama, which one's salt?
the second one on the list. This one right here.
I already checked it.
Perfect. So we are, and the things you have to bank don't have to be expensive, don't have to be crazy. You can get box mixes. Hold on, we're gonna dump it in because it's a little too big. Box mixes, get ingredients that are inexpensive. That way it's still fun for you and it's fun for them. Let's do it over here. Now this is a 1/4 cup, so we need 3 of these.
Yeah. 1.
Let's get hold on, we've got some clumps. Let's get those out. Okay, go ahead. Yep, 1.
2.
And
3.
3. That was 3/4 cup. Okay. Next, we're going to add cream of tartar.
Alright, what is that?
Here's the cream of tartar.
Mom, what is that?
Okay, also a fun thing to do is have your child smell ingredients
Mama,
or look at them and feel them.
what is this? Which one is?
This one right here next is 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar. So we need to get our teaspoon, which is the white one. Talk about colors, talk about shapes while you're cooking with them. So how many did we need again? We're gonna level that off. 4 teaspoons. So let's count. 1.
I got it.
Okay, you go ahead.
I did it perfectly.
You did.
Ah.
2. This also fosters independence and self-confidence.
Is that it?
Was that 3 or 4? Let's do one more. I think that was 3. I hope we were right.
Alright.
Okay, you got it. What does that feel like? Is it dry or wet?
It feels actually kind of soft.
Soft. Soft and dry?
Yeah.
Oh. You also might want to invest in some aprons. Okay.
Mom, can I go get my apron on?
Not yet. So we've got the cream of tartar. Now we're going to stir that. Let's use a whisk.
Alright, Mom, I got it.
And you whisk that up, and then we're gonna add the liquids. So we added our dry ingredients first. Then we're gonna add our wet ingredients. Okay, I think we're good. We can add in the water. Now this water we put in the microwave to make it cold or hot? Yeah, to make it very, very hot. Ooh! That's okay.
Did I?
It's all right.
Where is that hot?
No, when it spilled, look, it got all over my shirt though. That's why we need to wear our apron.
I'll go get one.
It's all right. We're gonna keep going.
I want to get my apron.
Do you know where it is?
Yeah.
Okay, you go while I finish the oil.
But did we do the almond stuff?
Nope, not yet. We're gonna do a special Play-Doh today because I can't find my food coloring. So we're going to do cinnamon. We're gonna add cinnamon for the coloring and the smell, and almond. Yes, I can. Come up here. Oh, good. You did find your apron.
Yeah, do you know who gave this to me?
Who?
Well,
Your buddy Will. Yeah. All right. Okay. We're going to add.
so that, do you know why I have this apron on? It's so that I don't get stuff on my shirt.
Yeah. Okay.
Here we go.
Also, the nice thing about making Play-Doh is that you don't have to worry about fingers getting messy or dirty while you're cooking. Okay, we're gonna add 4 of these because this is a ½ tablespoon. That was 1,
2,
2,
3, 4.
1 more. 1 more is 4.
4.
There we go. All right, you can put that over here. Last is let's add some almond
and some of this.
almond flavoring
And then
for
this.
funsies. You can add
And then this.
and some ground cinnamon.
Alright, I got it.
Let's see. You can add all of that in there.
All of it.
Yeah.
Let me
There's
see.
not very much in there.
Whoa.
Is it very strong? Yes, it is. But it'll be good.
Barely not.
Yep, you don't need a whole lot because it's super smelly. Okay, last we'll add the cinnamon. You want to add 2 of these. We're going to add a tablespoon of cinnamon. Yep, you can scoop it in there. That's good. And another one. What is cinnamon? Does it smell good or does it smell yucky?
Good. It
You
smells
like the
like
smell?
ginger.
It smells like ginger. Kind of like gingerbread cookies. Ooh, that's gonna be extra cinnamony. Thanks. Here's the lid. Okay, now we're gonna use a KitchenAid mixer for this, but you can definitely use your hands or spoon. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
It smells good.
It smells like Play-Doh.
Is it cinnamon Play-Doh? Let's go a little faster.
Smell it.
I love it. Now you can add flour as you go to get it to a more Play-Doh consistency, and this should last at least a couple weeks because it's a little runny.
Can I?
It'll last at least a couple weeks in a Ziploc bag. Just add a little bit at a time, but just sprinkle it in. That's good. That's good. Ooh, that's looking a lot better.
Oh, I like Play-Doh. How much after this? How much after we mix it? And what are we doing after we
Then we're gonna play with it.
Yes, sir!
So let's make some room here.
Mama, look at my face.
I'm doing a silly face.
It looks extra good, Mom.
Okay, now let's put a little bit of Play-Doh on the counter
Why are you putting that on the counter?
so that we can mix it up
Until
because it's gonna be a little warm.
oh, it's so hot.
Yeah,
Mom, you want me to take some out?
we'll do here. Then you're gonna knead it in the flour.
Mom, I'm gonna need it.
You're gonna knead it?
Yeah. How do we knead stuff?
So you just kind of press it in. What?
It feels so good when it's warm.
Does it? So also using
Oh
words,
my gosh.
asking your child to describe it. So how does it feel?
Good.
Is it hot? Is it cold?
Kind of.
Do you like the feeling?
Yeah.
And
Mom,
then let's put it in a big ball and we'll just keep mixing it with our
Mom,
hands.
how's yours not getting played on your hand?
Because you need to get some flour on your hands.
Can you get some flour?
Yep, look right here on the counter. And then just keep kneading it. Scraping it off the counter. I'm gonna put the camera down a little bit so our friends can see.
Mom, look. No, Play-Doh's getting on me.
Good, that means it's working. Here, let's put it in another bowl.
Play-Doh's not coming on my hands now.
Good. Does it smell so good? This is so great for sensory play. The smell, the feel, and you can play with your child at the same time,
Mom,
which will help them
I wanna help.
learn even faster. When children learn through play, they learn things 10 times faster than if they were just told things. When they're using their hands, when they are playing along with you. And that is how we can integrate math and literacy into our homes.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
All right, we're gonna wash our hands and we're gonna clean up. Thanks for joining us, guys.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.